hometown hotspot. Let the spring games begin. This Friday, Special Olympics athletes will compete to showcase their athletic ability. Our Amy Aronson is live from North Baltimore with more. Good morning, Amy.
Good morning, Megan. They're competing this morning, so we're less than an hour away from the start of the games, and we're actually lucky enough to be joined by one of the athletes this morning. Marquise is here with us. Good morning. So you are here today for one reason. What is that reason?
No.
Why are you here?
Compete.
You're going to compete and win, right? So what are you going to win if you win this whole race and all the competitions today?
Win a medal.
You win a medal. That is so cool. And you're joined by your teacher. Ashley Anderson is here from Westport Academy. Why is this such an important day for athletes like Marquise?
This is such a great day for Marquise and many of his classmates, because this is one time out of the year when all of these students who normally don't get to be a part of teams or have a lot of exposure to a large stadium or crowds, they get to come out, they get to showcase things that they're really good at, and they get to be cheered on by tons of people, and they get a chance at real competition.
Right.
So that is, it's just an excellent opportunity for them, and it's something we look forward to all year long.
Yeah, I bet. And I hear you are quite the athlete. Do you know what events you're going to be competing in today? What kind of sports you're going to be doing?
Running.
You're going to be running, and I hear you're really good, so we're cheering for you. We want you to get that gold, right?
Hey.
Yeah, exactly. Well, things are going to be getting started soon, right? So a full day here, and they get out of school for this, right?
Get out of school.
You do get out of school. They get a whole day off of school, but it's actually academic, because for many of them, sports is a part of their curriculum, and so being here at the same time is really fun. It also gets a whole introduction to all levels of sports.
Right. Different type of education today. Well, we wish you the best, Marquise. We are certainly rooting for you. We hope you get that gold today. If you do want to learn more about the Special Olympics Maryland or the events happening here today and for the rest of the week, you can come out and cheer them on, or you can find all the information on our website. That's foxbaltimore.com/newslinks. So, Megan, isn't this cool? Everyone's gathering now. Everyone's getting out here. Hoping the rain holds off, and we want lots of people to come out and cheer these athletes on.
You bet. And I'm excited for Marquise. You know, as a former track runner, I'm excited to see what he's got out there. Please tell him good luck.
I will certainly tell him that, Megan.
All right, Amy, thank you so much, and all the best.